They always say lead with the deal, so how about saving on our most popular, top-selling combinations of Holley Sniper 2 components? You're only one click away from getting the parts you need, and thanks to our bundle savings, you'll be saving money compared to buying the parts individually. With the latest innovations and continuous improvement, our system eliminates the common excuses that often surround EFI conversions. Concerns about complex wiring and the technical challenges of EFI tuning are no longer an issue. Sniper 2 simplifies the install process and highlights the advantages of EFI, from better throttle response to increased fuel economy and increased power. Our Sniper 2 HyperSpark ignition bundles are being offered for both small block and big block Chevys, as well as the 8.2-inch deck small block Ford. It's a full EFI conversion package that's just a mouse click away. And with our bundling, you save even more compared to buying the components individually. Each bundle includes a Sniper 2 4-barrel throttle body to replace your carburetor, a HyperSpark distributor, and HyperSpark 2 ignition box, along with a HyperSpark coil. We also add in a Bluetooth module as well as a power distribution module, along with your choice of either a base or master inline fuel kit. These bundles are the most complete EFI conversion kits that we've ever offered at Holley. So let's take a closer look at what these bundles offer. Power, reliability, and ease of installation are just a few of the qualities that make Sniper 2 an EFI leader. 4 100-pound injectors make the 4-barrel style throttle body capable of supporting up to 650 horsepower in naturally aspirated builds, or 575 horse when fueling a boosted engine. The improved Sniper 2 ECU offers better RF noise and interference resistance, so it can handle the challenges of outdated classic car wiring, noisy alternators, faulty plug wires, and so on. It also has a redesigned throttle shaft with improved lever geometry for a smoother throttle feel. On the spark side of the power equation, our HyperSpark components represent the latest and greatest in our lineup. They're designed to increase both performance and ease of installation. Compared to the original, our HyperSpark 2 ignition is 50% smaller and 70% lighter, making it easier than ever to find a place to mount it. While the new box may be smaller, it still packs just as big of a punch, generating up to 150 millijoules of spark energy. The new processor and board design are a win-win too, delivering maximum spark energy with less current draw and minimal heat. The included HyperSpark ignition coil features an integrated mounting bracket for easy installation. And to minimize wiring frustration, the HyperSpark coil plugs directly into your Sniper 2 main harness for a plug-and-play affair. The HyperSpark distributor found in the bundles is a billet aluminum unit that plugs directly into the HyperSpark 2 main harness and features a Hall effect crank trigger for a noise-free RPM signal to the ECU. Our power distribution module, or PDM for short, brings simplicity to the EFI conversion by streamlining the often intimidating wiring process, especially when using a HyperSpark ignition. Simply slide the stripped wire ends under the positive lock connectors and tighten down the set screws. Battery power and ground, along with a switched 12-volt ignition source, are all that's required of your vehicle to power up the PDM and your Sniper 2 system. Ease of use has always been Sniper's calling card, and the Sniper 2 Bluetooth module takes the show to the next level. It uses your iOS or Android smartphone as the system's tuning and monitoring interface. Sniper 2's calibration wizard only requires that you answer a few simple questions about your engine to create a base map and initiate self-tuning. You don't need an expert shop, laptop, or tuning knowledge. Your tuning quest starts right in your driveway. The Sniper 2 HyperSpark ignition bundle is available with or without a fuel system. The complete fuel system consists of 3/8-inch vapor guard fuel hose, a fuel pump, a fuel pressure regulator, fuel filters, a bulkhead fitting to return fuel back into the tank, and any necessary hardware. Holley's comprehensive kit ensures that you have everything needed for a seamless conversion to EFI. To check out our Sniper 2 HyperSpark bundles and save some big bucks for yourself, visit us at Holley.com.